Okay, so today we're making
eto, body eto is meaning is a mash
plantain.
Mm.
Okay, so brodier eto. Okay, we're gonna do the ingredients first. So what we have here is the ripe plantain.
Yeah.
And we got the peanut butter, crunchy version. We've got pure palm oil. It's not the best palm oil, but if you can find a good one, find the best you can find. Onions. We got the pepper. Are we using the tomato?
No.
No, that's just there. Okay.
You just have to boil the plantain, and when it's done, we're going to blend this pepper with the onion together.
Okay.
And then a bit of
peanut butter. Some people prefer putting the peanuts, whole peanuts, roasted one, whilst they are eating it. But I do prefer putting this inside the. That's the same flavour, right?
Mash. Oh yeah, it gives it best flavour. It's very chewing with the whole.
Yeah, I was about to say. I mean, this is like peanuts chewed in your mouth, isn't it?
Already, yes. And so that's how I'm going to do. So as you can see from here now, I'm in a process of boiling it.
We've actually peeled the plantain and cut it in half, haven't we? Or into three?
Yeah, 2 or 3, doesn't matter.
Cut into 2 or 3.
But you don't overcook it. You just boil it for a while, you time it, and then...
So it's on medium temperature. So how long will it be on medium temperature for?
This is the first step. High temperature, actually.
Oh, sorry. Okay, yeah. So it'll be.
So I'm trying to boil it quickly for about 10 minutes.
Okay. So the first step is to peel it, cut it, put it in a pot full of water.
With your
high temperature for 10 minutes.
Yeah, I've got my chili in there. So.
Okay, and then the next step is to grind this.
Yeah.
The pepper and the onion.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll come back when we're doing that. Peace. Okay, so we've grinded the onions and the chili in the pot. Well, it's not the pot. Potteria.
Potteria.
I can't even pronounce it. I can't even pronounce it.
Everybody can say it. They know it.
What she said, yeah. Like, I understand Tree, but I just can't speak it. Yeah. She put the peanut with the onion and the chili.
Right.
She's gonna grind it together. Show the plantain.
Yeah, it's coming. It will come into this.
Drain the plantain. It doesn't have to be done for 10 minutes. Yeah. It can be boiled for about 20 minutes if you want.
Yeah, it's going here, so you can see it.
It reminds me of fufu, to be honest.
It's not fufu. This is it.
No, I was joking.
But you want to put water on it and start soloing it.
It looks like you're pounding fufu.
No, I'm trying to mash it quickly so it doesn't get too cold.
I remember you used to do this when I was young, Yeah. It's been a long time since we had this.
I remember when I was young, my mom used to do this. She would just leave it one side. This is me waiting for her. It takes a while to dry before she would go over it again. Because we've got all the ingredients in to flavour it already. And maybe a little bit of salt. So,
did you add salt to this?
Yeah, I'll taste it first and then put a bit more.
So we got the onion. We got the onion, the pepper, the peanut butter, grinded. And then we mashed the boiled plantain.
The boiled plantain is halfway wrap. It's not really wrapped plantain, the red one. No, you have to use the one that is almost wrapped, but it's not really.
So you mean in between green and yellow?
Yes, that is best.
So really you want to get the yellow plant. Well, it's still red plantain, yeah. But
get the yellow one.
What I'm saying is it shouldn't be soft. You should squeeze it like this, yeah. It shouldn't be that soft.
It shouldn't be soft.
Because if it's really soft, I mean, that's really for, Kelewele.
sort of thing.
So now I leave it for a while, as I'm coming along, I'm waiting for my oil. Right, got to zoom in my oil. Yeah, I've got some down already, so I'm going to be using it.
So you've melted the palm oil.
Yeah.
Good technique to melt palm oil is to put it in some boiling water.
Yeah, and then it's all melted. Anyway,
you right, X1? Yeah. I mean X2.
As I'm going along, I'm going to open it to put a bit.
Hey, is y'all gonna eat this?
No, it's all yours.
No, it's all mine.
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna say hello, y'all?
Yeah, welcome back to the Beans and Trim.
Same.
It's been a long time. It's been a long time.
It's been a long time. Anyway, back to the food.
Yeah. I've got shape up in years.
Yeah, you keep telling people you should get a haircut. You know?
Right. Back to a top. I remember when I was younger, when my mom is trying to mash it. At the moment, I'm going slowly so we can leave it to dry a while. When my mom is mashing it, she will sort of put the oil like that. She mash one, she put the oil. She mash one, she put the oil throughout. And before she finished, the oil is already in it.
Yeah.
So that's another way of doing it. It's fantastic. So now I'm trying to let all the plantains soaked up with
the palm.
Yeah, with the palm.
And the other flavours.
Yeah. It's very simple. Some people put more money in it and things.
Yeah, but people need to understand the onion and the pepper is the foundation of many Ghanaian foods.
Yes, of course.
Many sauces, I'm telling you. Without onion and pepper, you can't really call it African.
This one.
Seriously.
It's not all of us that eat pepper anyway. Because our parents, introduced pepper to us. Especially the poor ones. And it's, pepper and okra. But anyway.
Well, I know about gari and hot water and sugar.
Oh, yeah.
You know about gari, hot water and sugar.
Everybody knows that.
Trust me, I know about them poor times.
Everybody knows.
When you run out of food, everyone has gari left over from somewhere.
Yeah, that's something everybody have in the house all the time. And some people will eat this with, what do you call it? Boiled eggs. Fill you up more.
You know what I would like to do is like crack open some sardines or some mackerel in some oil. No, on the side.
Oil again?
No, on the side.
Oh.
On the side, not to mash it with it.
Does it make sense? You can eat fish with it, you can eat chicken with it, you can eat anything that is already done.
It's just that with this, I like to eat with sardines.
Yeah, if you're poor, like I used to be when I was younger, my mom would just do this and that is done. That's the food. You're not looking for meat or something. Now and then we get egg, one egg to go with it. And it fills you up. So this is it. So I'm going to pour this dish out.
Once upon a time we used to be poor in this country though.
Not anymore, thank God.
We used to eat oven chips.
Oh, charming.
You remember that? We haven't eaten oven chips in 10 years.
I've always been eating my food. My Ghana food. Oh, can you smell it?
I can smell the palm.
Not only that, the peanuts. Whoa. Now I understand why people prefer it. Some people will put this butter peanut in it, grind it with the pepper and that, give it a wild flavor. And then still throw some, you know the roasted one on it. So that is another way of doing it. And whoa, when you get this sitting in front of TV, my God, this is it.
You know, peanut complements a lot of African dishes.
Of course.
I mean, there's a lot of people who, they don't even start out with olive oil when they cook to saute the onions. They saute the onions in peanut butter. You can do that. Some people use that
of course.
stuff.
We have peanut oil in my country. And when you cook it, it tastes much better. So this is it for you, my son. Bon appetit.
Thank you. Obviously, I'm going to share this with everyone. My mom's just making me out to be greedy. I will be sharing this, you know. My family is invited. As my cousins were saying in Ghana, Charlie, you are invited. Here's what it is. Anyway.
It's a top.
This is Eto.
I
Hope you enjoyed. I'm signing out now. Okay? In the name of Ose Tutu and Prempe, peace. Okay, I know I ended the video, yeah, but like I've just tasted a quarter of this, and I'm just telling you, this is too tasty. This is really tasty. I mean, look, I
have another taste.
I'm speechless. Obviously, I had this when I was younger, but this is the best you've made. Sorry about that. I was chewing.
Tell me about it.
The taste, I'm telling you, the peanut mixed with the palm. Oh my. Oh my. Nyankopon. I'm telling you.
God is wonderful.
This is... How do you say it in Tree? Is it Edjani Yade? Something like that. Yeah. It's... Please try and make this one day. I'm telling you. I mean, fufu is still #1 for me, but this one is creeping up the ladder, yeah? Okay, so anyway, peace out. Again, #2.